Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this video guys, I'm going to cook with you this recipe called chicken honey. So stay tuned. There I'm boiling my chicken. Remember to like the video guys. After that I'll have to take off that soup. Then I put it in the oven for a few minutes before start frying it. There it is ready. I'll start frying by putting onions on my pan and I'll have to add a little salt. Then I'll have to stir it. I'll add my tomatoes there. I'll stir it until ready. I'll have to add my hoho and the ginger, the grated ginger and garlic there. I'll have to stir it till ready. Then I'll have to add my grated carrots. Remember we are cooking chicken honey. I'll have to add my coriander. I love coriander because it is just a flavor. It makes the food taste so yummy. There I'll have to add my honey. Yeah, I'll put my honey because I'm cooking chicken honey. Guys, remember to try this. Remember to try this. I'm telling you, it is always very delicious. I will have to add my chicken. Already boiled, so it is just ready. Remember to share this video to your friends, guys. It is a very nice video. Share it. Somebody somewhere just to see and try this recipe. Yeah, it is always very good to share what somebody is cooking to other people because most people don't know. So my chicken is ready. Chicken honey is ready and I will have to serve with the rice and cabbage. You can serve with anything, chapati or gali. So thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming and watching my videos. See you for another video. Try to leave a very nice comment down there. So bye. See you. Mwah.